In this video, I'll show you how to find the serial number of your Meta Quest 3 and its controllers. So let's start with the Meta Quest 3. It's very easy. It's actually easier than the Meta Quest 2. So you're going to take your unit like this, and on the left side over here, inside of this head strap, you're going to see over here some stuff written, and you should see SN with a number and letters. So this is your serial number. It's visible, and this way if your headset breaks, you'll need to give it to Meta if you want a replacement. So you don't need to remove any parts to have access to it. Now on the controllers, it's a bit more complicated, but not really. So let's say you want on the right side over here, you're going to turn it like this, and on the right side, you're going to see a triangular. You just need to press on it. It's a button that will pop this cap. Remove it. Whoops. This will reveal the battery that you need to remove. If you have nails, just remove the battery this way. And then over here, you're going to have a serial number right under the QR code. So this is the serial code of your right controller, and on the left side, well, just do the same thing. Press the small triangular, it will pop the battery cap, remove the battery, and the serial code will be right there, the same place under the QR code. So this is how you find your serial codes on your Meta Quest 3 and its controllers. If this was helpful, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and check the Amazon affiliate links.